Yo, you gotta tell me which one, quick. Which one? Find out which one. Just do a quick one. Which one?
Yeah, it's the fat coat with the fat light skin.
Which one?
You need to tell me which one.
Who?
Her right there.
What is she wearing? We got nothing.
Hold on. I'm trying to say it too.
Before she's gone.
She's bigger, light skin.
What is she wearing?
A white tee. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Cause she just fucking dipped out on the nigga. She just dipped out.
Right, because nobody's giving us. Where's so many white tees over there? All right. Oh well.
It's in the middle.
I'll get it.
White shirt, she got the red hair.
White shirt.